Hi friends and welcome back. So today we're going to be covering signs of the zodiac. Zodiac, zodiac, or you can say zodiac signs. And just like the months of the year, there are 12 of them. So we're going to go in chronological order from the first one up until the 12th one. Sorry I did not include the dates here, so please feel free to look them up yourselves. All right, let's get going. Aries, Aries, Taurus, Taurus, Gemini, Gemini, Cancer, Cancer, Leo, Leo, Virgo, Virgo, Libra, Libra, Scorpio, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Capricorn, Aquarius, Aquarius, Pisces, Pisces. Now, I encourage you to know more about your zodiac signs. Talk to people and ask them questions about their zodiac signs and tell them yours. Mine is Cancer because I was born July 22nd. It's Ivo. I'll talk to you soon.